Welcome to Vectorworks 2013, where creativity and evolution combine to deliver an exciting new release. Creativity is a process that lives in constant evolution, and designing and improving software follows a similar path. In fact, the Nemetschek Vectorworks team has worked continuously to improve our platform and deliver the most comprehensive and versatile set of design software available to meet your industry's evolving demands. Vectorworks software remains the clear choice for design tools that are flexible, versatile, intuitive, and smart, for one simple reason: because we never stop evolving. While we can't possibly fit all of the improvements we've made to version 2013 in this video, we've highlighted the most significant ones to capture the attention of your creative mind. We hope you're as excited about this new release as we are. Now let's dig in and explore some of the enhanced tools and features of Vectorworks Fundamentals. I'd like to turn the presentation over to our industry specialist, who will walk you through the new features.
Hello and welcome to Vectorworks 2013. This year we broke the new features into three major groups: better 3D modeling, improved efficiency, and enhanced interoperability. First, we've dramatically improved the performance of both panning and zooming. Whether you're drawing in 2D or modeling in 3D, you'll appreciate the faster redraw time, and you'll have more information available to you as you cruise around your file. Plus, you'll get much quicker OpenGL and 3D wireframe previews while rotating. The Clip Cube is used as a 3D modeling aid in Vectorworks 2013. You no longer need to manually adjust visibility settings in order to see obstructed objects. In Vectorworks 2013, you simply select the object or objects you wish to see, then enable the Clip Cube mode. Not only can you view the objects via the Clip Cube, you can also manipulate them within this viewing mode. Then exit the Clip Cube to return to your normal view, much faster than having to change visibility one class at a time. The Clip Cube provides additional visibility control over large, complex models, allowing you to work on isolated parts within the interactive boundaries of the Clip Cube. The Vectorworks Walkthrough tool has evolved to provide an interactive experience that's more responsive and predictable when navigating inside a model. For 2013, you'll be able to click on an area of the screen and start walking. Where you click, you'll see a reference point that your cursor will move in relation to. The movement and rotation has been improved for a much smoother experience, letting you create better visualizations of your design. So just think of your pointer as your new joystick. We've improved the Rotate tool to work in an intuitive and easy manner. The Rotate tool now provides enhanced graphical feedback while rotating objects. A protractor preview clearly shows the rotation center, the axis of rotation, and the rotation lever. The Rotate tool can also automatically recognize the working plane of the selected object. This way, the rotation angle can be interactively applied to your selection, streamlining changes made in your design. If your current workflow requires you to model and navigate in 3D, I'm sure you're familiar with our perspective environment. For 2013, we've addressed your wishes, and you can now work in a full-screen perspective view while modeling. You even have the option to turn on the cropping window when setting up views for presentations. This may seem like a small change, but with the addition of a representative ground and sky, it now makes the perspective view a viable modeling mode. You can now choose to display classes inside the organization dialog box and navigation palette in hierarchical form. You'll be able to hide groups of classes you don't need to see. A new stacking order column has been added to the organization dialog box and navigation palette, so you can easily change the sheet layer stacking order by drag and drop. Leader lines can now be automatically aligned with each other with a simple command menu. The new command will automate the alignment and distribution of a tag's leader lines for objects such as callouts, leader lines, plants, hardscapes, stakes, landscape areas, existing trees, and red lines. This new feature will help you better manage dozens or hundreds of symbols. You'll have access to the symbol options for multiple symbols in order to make changes. For instance, from the resource browser, simply select multiple symbols. Open your context menu and apply changes to all. It's just that easy. Dashed lines and custom line types are now resources that can be easily created and shared. The new feature enables you to create line types based on a repeating pattern of Vectorworks objects. This can include text or graphics. Since line types are resources, you can easily edit them, share them, and set teamwork standards. We all know 2D objects in Vectorworks can be drawn on the screen plane, layer plane, or any other defined plane. Users want to be able to custom select and modify objects on a particular plane. A typical operation would be to custom select and convert screen plane objects into layer plane objects, or vice versa. This improvement adds a new search criterion, so you can search Vectorworks objects by plane. Golden ratio, golden section, divine proportion. However it may be known, the golden rectangle has been applied to any number of iconic architectural projects and famous pieces of art. The golden rectangle is now built into your classic rectangle tool, and it's a simple and elegant addition. While the geometry is selected, the object info palette will convey if a golden proportion has been traced. A great addition to the Vectorworks program is the new hyperlink feature. With 2013, you can create hyperlinks with associated thumbnails or symbols to launch websites containing product manufacturer's data, open other Vectorworks documents, open a folder, or display save views, sheet layers, open file resources such as image files, PDFs, movie files, and more. Plus, hyperlinks are preserved when exporting to PDF. In Vectorworks 2013, you can effortlessly import complex models created in Rhinoceros. The addition of direct import and export support for Rhino 3DM files lets you collaborate with the Rhino application and further your design and documentation within Vectorworks. You asked and we listened. With Vectorworks 2013, we've added several improvements and capabilities to the DXF DWG import and export process that will dramatically improve the interoperability process. Now you can export Vectorworks 3D objects as 2D flattened graphics in the DWG model space. A new command lets you do a batch export for DWG DXF from multiple files at the same time. A new option allows you to make 2D and 3D conversion resolution adjustments during DWG DXF imports. A new option lets you choose true RGB or index colors on DWG DXF exports. A new DWG DXF import feature improves the speed of your imports by alerting you when complex hatches with multiple boundaries are found. This alert gives you the option to skip importing the hatch, convert the hatch to lines, or proceed with the import. And you can now import and export the Autodesk DWF file format. This means users will now have an even greater flexibility to interoperate and collaborate with others in both 2D and 3D. With RenderWorks 2013, you can now easily work with additional popular 3D applications with added file export options. With the new Collada export option, you can collaborate with applications such as Google Earth, ArcGIS, and SketchUp. In addition, the support of FBX file export lets you easily work with 3D Max and other modeling tools.
As we've demonstrated in this brief video, Vectorworks 2013 is an exciting new release that will help you take your designs to the next level. And we know that once you explore all the positive evolutions that Vectorworks has to offer, you too will agree that it remains the best software to help you realize your most inspired visions. Streamline your workflows, improve your efficiency, evolve with Vectorworks 2013.